Happy National Cereal Day. Today is the perfect day to celebrate the most important meal of the day. Cereal is a quick, easy, and delicious breakfast option loved by people of all ages. We will explore the history of cereal, the different types of cereal, and some fun ways to enjoy your morning bowl. History of cereal. Cereal has been around for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Romans ate a type of cereal made from grains like wheat, barley, and oats. However, it wasn't until the late 1800s that cereal became a popular breakfast food. In 1863, James Caleb Jackson created the first cold cereal called granula. In 1894, Dr. John Kellogg invented Corn Flakes, which was followed by many other cereal brands. Types of cereal. There are many different types of cereal on the market today. Here are a few popular types. Flakes are thin and crispy and made from a variety of grains like wheat, corn, and rice. Some popular brands include Kellogg's Corn Flakes, Rice Krispies, and Special K. Puffs are light and airy and made from grains like rice, wheat, and corn. Some popular brands include Kix, Cheerios, and Honey Smacks. O's are small, ring-shaped cereal made from grains like oats, wheat, and corn. Some popular brands include Cheerios, Fruit Loops, and Lucky Charms. Granola is a mixture of oats, nuts, and dried fruit. It's often eaten with milk or yogurt. Some popular brands include Nature Valley and Bear Naked. Fun ways to enjoy your cereal. Add fruit, add sliced bananas, strawberries, or blueberries to your cereal for a delicious and healthy breakfast. Mix it up, mix different types of cereal together for a fun and unique flavor. Try mixing Cheerios with Fruit Loops or Rice Krispies with Lucky Charms. Make it a parfait, layer your cereal with yogurt and fruit for a tasty and filling breakfast. Top it off, add nuts, honey, or chocolate chips to your cereal for added flavor and texture. Cereal is a delicious and convenient breakfast option that has been around for centuries. Whether you prefer flakes, puffs, O's, or granola, there's a cereal out there for everyone. So, grab a bowl and celebrate National Cereal Day in style.